Wow, we have a new visitor. I think they want to order cherries. Cherries. Let's get the seed beds ready. Just what we need. Well done. Wow, look at those seedlings. Wow, it's raining. Now we need to take care of the seedlings. That's right. Not quite right. That's right. Tap the seed bed for interaction. Just what we need. Wow, how our trees have grown. Our crops are being stolen. Protect them. Well done. You saved the whole crop. Let's harvest the whole crop. All right, you got the whole crop. Visitor's order is ready. The visitor is very happy with the order.